Yo, what's up homies? Today we'll fix scratchy noisy input selector. This tutorial will also work for noisy volume control or tone control potentiometer knob pots. Look and listen how this defect shows itself in real life. This can occur to your PC speakers, car amplifier or even hi-fi system, just like mine. For this job you will need screwdriver, kitchen or toilet paper, and some electronic contact cleaner or special potentiometer cleaning spray that you can buy in electronic DIY shops. Our patient is a 90s made stereo integrated amplifier. This DIY can be used for all analog switches and potentiometers. Make sure you disconnect amplifier from electricity to make everyone safe. And then let's go! To fix something, firstly we must get to the specified detail. So let's unscrew all the screws, take off the cover and find that criminal. Find the correct input switch that must be cleaned. Put some paper around the switch to make sure cleaner doesn't flow over where it should not. If possible, remove some unneeded details that are installed around the switch so the cleaner gets to its destination easier. But of course don't break anything. If part doesn't want to leave its man cave, leave it there. Take your potentiometer cleaning spray, shake it real hard, oh yeah, and blow it into all three places. Then spin the switch to clean the contacts. Spray some more cleaner to make sure it gets to all switch contacts. Then wait for about 2 minutes and again spin the switch to clean all those narrow spaces. Take out the wet paper and clean up the leftover spray. Leave everything clean and dry. Put back all the switch details and again spin the switch to clean contacts. After 10 spins it should be enough. Put back the cover and all the screws so we can test this whole thing. Oh yeah, works like in the far 90s. If there are no changes, try to clean it once more. If still there are no changes, then possibly switch or potentiometer contacts are worn out and must be replaced. Well, thank you for staying with me in this lone room. Don't forget to subscribe and like this for more tutorials.